Back at Epcot, we're going to try and get on test track. Hopefully we can get the 1 o'clock virtual queue. If not, we're going to maybe try to, you know, finagle our way on because we are annual pass holders. So, follow along. Hopefully we get on test track. We'll see. Because I have not had it yet. Because if you saw on my travel day, I have been up since 2:15 and this is my second vlog of the day. So, now it's time for a little caffeine fix.
Paola, I have a grande mango for refresher. Paola.
Not available. There are no groups of it. I did it literally
That's what they were saying.
the time. Oh, come on. And talk to somebody because we literally, as you saw, refreshed even before 1 o'clock and then right at 1 o'clock and it said no queues were open. So I firmly believe that there was a glitch somewhere. So they have it all blocked off, so you can't technically go to the front and get like pictures or anything, but we'll see what happens. So we popped into Creations. It was an absolute no-go. The virtual queues, once they're gone for Passholder preview. Kind of sucks because the first time I've ever been here for a Passholder preview and I wasn't able to get a virtual queue, so kind of annoyed, but whatever. Alright, we're gonna pop through, see if there's anything new and exciting since last time I was here. Doubtful. Oh, see, I like the yellow. Those are really cute. I like the yellow a lot. That one is really, really, really cute. How much are those?
$64.99.
Holy potatoes. I definitely think the yellow is going to be my go-to because I love yellow. He's cute. What other one do they have? No, you're fine. Ah, they have Tigger too, which is cute. I think I like that one. They do have some new.
What's this?
They have some new mini mix-its. These ones are cute. Look at the pizza.
I know. Oh my God, Alice in Wonderland on the bottom.
I know, they're so cute. I really like the pizza one. You said those fit on your dog's head.
Yeah, they do.
I bet you it would fit on Ophelia's head.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, they have
know.
both characters.
I know.
Oh, and then they have the rabbit.
Alice.
And then
This actually looks like TT. This looks like my TT.
that is so cute. Oh my gosh. Did you see the Daisy one? Oh, thank you. Daisy and
She has one with a teal hat.
I don't know.
I
don't know. Well, what is that one with the purple? And then they got the skunk.
Huey, doesn't it look like one of the kids?
Yeah, but she's got the purple shirt on. I think he's just got a different color
she
on.
has-
These ears are new. Not really a fan, but they're new.
Oh, yeah.
I don't really care for them. No, they're new t-shirts. Cute, but not. I think they're really cute, but I just have no need for any more backpacks. That's very retro. Okay. Okay. Epic fail. Nothing too new. Cute. Little Mary Poppins. Sometimes you can find some really cute stuff in these little stores. I forget what they're called. They're the International something or others. That's a cute little Monsters Inc. sweater. And I do love the lilac. That's really cute. They do have some spooky season stuff out, which y'all know I'm not into, but they have some stuff. Oh, that's a new Spirit jersey. Or a jersey, yeah. A Spirit jersey. And now this is Disney Traders. So these are the two stores when you come to the front of World Showcase. Okay, call me crazy, but I have never looked up and seen all the countries on the top. Have they always been there? Like, I don't ever recall. See, you see something every day. Oh, these are nice, all the different country shirts. I don't love when they take the band and put it around the neck and the arms, though. This is new. The Disney pin outfits or shirts. Never seen those before. Nothing too crazy. Right now. Oh, bubble tea. This line is insane. Japan Mitsu. How do you say this? Mitsukoshi. There's something I want to see if they have. I don't think they're going to, but we're going to see if they do.
Oh wait, this is what this guy looks like.
We came in here because I thought maybe they would have the blind boxes, because my mom was in Toronto and they said that they sold them in Japan. I was like, I don't think so. But hey, I wanted to walk down here anyways, just see if they did. I almost never come in this store, but it's really cute. They really should sell them because it's part of like the pop art stuff, you know? You can get a custom picked pearl. Some fun little Japan doodads.
Let's see what candy they have.
Korean skincare. Oh, how cute! They're wrapping her little guy in there. What are we looking at now? It's a very tightly packed store. If you're hot, you can grab a fan. Or a samurai. I mean, why not? You're in Disney. I'm surprised that they let you buy samurais. And then this is the marketplace where they have all the little Japanese convenience store favorites, which I wouldn't have a clue as to what is what. So what is it that you like here?
I like these little things.
Pokey. Oh.
These are pokey sticks.
Pokey sticks. Okay. Is this gum? No. I was gonna say, because they don't sell gum in Disney. I don't know what that is, but it did not look appealing. Right now because it has not been a very successful day today. We didn't get on Test Track. We did not find the Mickey and Friends blind boxes. Our room's still not ready, but you've already seen the room because you saw the travel day. So I'm going to sign off for now, and hopefully we'll have something fun and exciting for this evening. But otherwise, we're just gonna pool in Grand Floridian and chill today. Alright, well, thank you for watching. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, and see you all.